We make learning guitar harder than it has to be. If you've hit a wall like I did, the answer usually isn't learning more chords, scales, and licks. Understanding rhythm was my biggest breakthrough. Once rhythm clicked for me, everything got easier. If I play a D minor chord, B flat, and F, those aren't complicated chords. And if I play the D minor pentatonic scale, that's not complicated in itself. Most of us can do that already. The difficult thing is making music with that. Rhythm is what makes music. All I'm doing is creating a simple pulse with my right hand. This can be done with any chord progression, any scale connected to that progression. This makes practicing fun because it's musical. So if we just mute the strings real quick, lay your fingers flat on all the strings. Nice little groove here. Play through the chords. Keeping the right hand going, it's called the right hand motor. I've heard someone call it that, and it's stuck with me. And also a great way to stay connected and rhythmic is hitting the low note, the root of each chord. I'm really emphasizing the low note of each chord. And you can play the F bar chord. It's just nice having these little shapes available. I struggled with this early on. Keeping that right hand going makes it easy to add lead fills to that pulse. And again, you can do this with any chord progression. See how I'm just creating that open space there with the pulse. Listen how the rhythm can make your guitar playing come alive. Just taking that concept up the fretboard. And once you learn some different areas, this is where players can just grab their guitar and start playing all over the place because they put in the time to know these chords in a few areas and the scale within the progression. You have the three chords again, D minor. Let's look at the little shapes, but they're within the full chords basically. Playing the center. Your phrases can come out of those chords and they're locked in with your right hand, that pulse. simple phrase like that, if you repeat it, it sounds musical. And the B flat is here. You're just adding one note here. You have the D minor. But you're leaving your first finger barred there. That's the secret to all, because all three chords are there. The D minor pentatonic is there in the 10th fret of where you have your first finger here. Everything's in position, so you can just think about groove and feel, not worrying so much about where you're going on the neck. Get that feel down. Once you learn these simple chords and scales, which most of you have if you're watching this video, you take that to another level. You connect it with some solid rhythm and timing. Once I understood rhythm, everything got easier and more fun. Thanks for hanging out with me today.